On a rainy Monday morning, Mia rushed out of her apartment, already late for school. She grabbed her backpack, closed the door, and then realized something. She had forgotten her umbrella. She looked at the sky. It was dark, and the rain was getting heavier, but she didn't have time to go back. So she ran, splashing through puddles. By the time she reached the bus stop, her clothes were wet and her hair stuck to her face. She sighed, feeling frustrated. An older woman standing nearby noticed her and gently offered, "Would you like to share my umbrella?" Mia smiled in relief. "Yes, thank you." They stood together under the small red umbrella. The woman talked about her garden, her grandchildren, and her morning walks. Her warm voice made the cold rain feel less heavy. Mia listened quietly, feeling calmer. When the bus arrived, the woman said, "Rain is not a bad thing, dear. It just reminds us to slow down." Mia nodded and stepped onto the bus. She looked back to wave, but the woman was already walking away. At school, Mia felt different. Not annoyed, not stressed, but grateful. She realized the morning rain had given her something unexpected, a small moment of kindness. She decided that next time someone looked lost or rushed, she would be the one offering help.